What's up, everybody? Got something really cool on the table today from the people over at Zotac. Now, we all know that video card prices are just off the frickin' hook right now, and really, the only way to get around the high-priced video card game is to buy a pre-built system. So Zotac sent me this little killer gem right here. Now, this is the MEK1 gaming system. Everything's inside of this box. A system, I believe there's a keyboard, mouse, everything you need but your games and an internet connection ready to go. So let's do something a little bit different today. I've got my trusty little ninja sword here, and I've also got like two little ninja throwing knives. Almost got my own foot. Let's throw those to the cameraman. Almost. One more. Let's try this. These are pretty cool little throwing little knives. Now he's moving. Don't move, man. I can't hit you if you move. Quit being a sissy. All right, now I wasn't really throwing, I'm just screwing around. But check it out, this is what's cool. So today we're gonna be doing basically a ninja sword unboxing. Ninja sword, right here in my hand. Up here, with the trusty blade up here. We shall insert the blade into the system, make a cut with the ninja sword. Probably a little overkill, huh? But what the hell, overkill's fun. This is just fun. Big old giant sword. Cut the side here too, let's do some side cutting, shall we? Hope I won't cut my hand off when I'm doing this. All right, that's probably good enough. Oops. The idea of things going off. I think it's telling me, Elric, get a different idea and quit using the damn sword. Sorry, let's pop the cap here. Pop the cap. All right, there we go. That cap is popped. And now, oh, this one's being difficult. Ninja sword, back to the rescue. Okay, there we go. So we'll take that off, pop this. All right, so this is going to be okay, well, never mind. All right, so here's this little thing right here. We'll put the cameraman. Missed him by that much. All right. Now, this is going to be a little bit different here. Let me turn this to the side because there's actually a box inside of a box. Once again, we're seeing the box conception here. Here we go. All right. And a giant box, which I will throw over onto the floor. So here we have the box of the MEK1. Right here. Kind of a mini workout there. Okay, so what all's in the box? Well, let's find out. There's two little tabs over here. So I'm going to pop these little tabs right here. Pop, 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 pop. Then we'll go ahead and pop these open. We'll pop it up, pop, pop, pop. Ooh, all right. So let's tilt this your way. Here's what it looks like inside the box. You guys can see there's foam all around the entire build so that when the system's being shipped, it doesn't get broken. Also, you saw they do ship it inside another box, so you have two boxes for protection. So you don't have to worry about it coming unless UPS gets even more crazy than they usually do and drop it off of a cliff. So where can we go from here? All right, let's see here. We got a big old giant flat box right here. All right, let's probably first check out the flat box. What's in the flat box, everybody? Let's just move that out of the way and let's look what's in the big giant black box. And here, find the opening. All right, a couple more little popping caps over here. I will turn this your direction now so you guys can see it. Now we shall go ahead and pop this cap and then all right, lots of stuff inside of here as you guys can see. So I guess let's start off by bringing everything out and showing you guys. So first off, in this little packet right here, we have quite a bit of stuff. It contains all of your warranty information for doing your warranty on the system, tells you all the stuff about the system, what's inside of it, all that other good stuff. There's a lot of paperwork, manuals, that type of stuff, everything you pretty much need. Now what's really interesting though is you also get a CD and a USB flash drive to put your drivers in. So it doesn't matter if you have a CD player. You know, a lot of people don't have CD players anymore, but you don't have to worry about it. They've got you hooked up because obviously they've got a little flash drive here. So that's pretty cool. It'll make things much easier. So we'll start here at the bottom. Mousepad. That's right. Every good system needs a mousepad, and this system is no different. In fact, looks like everything but the kitchen sink is inside of here. So let's first off, let's remove the mousepad. Oh yeah, this is really nice. And here's what the mousepad looks like. It's very nice. It's got a nice smooth surface. It's well made. You guys can see it's got a gripping surface on the back of it, so when you put it on your table, it's not going to go sliding around all over the place, and it's very flat. Even after it comes unrolled, I could probably just stick it back in here and roll it back in there. Shouldn't be that hard. Although, you know what, I think I'm not going to. I think I'm just going to keep going, but it'll roll back up nicely, I'm sure. Now we have the accessories up next. So let's see what all accessories we get as I can get this thing out of here. There we go. All right, so here's the accessories box. Top. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. That one was a little bit difficult to open up there. So, okay, inside of here. So first off, we have the two Wi-Fi antennas. These are for your wireless. Gonna need those to get your good reception. Next up, the power cord itself. The stands. Let's open these bad boys up. There's one. Let me get the other one out so I can show them to you both at the same time. Just get them out of here. Yeah. Let's just forget about trying to be the niceties. And let me just tear the bag and get these. And here are the stands for the system itself. That way the system itself just doesn't fall over onto its side like Humpty Dumpty. And that's pretty much it for the accessories pack. Now next up, we have the gaming mouse. The little gaming mouse. Open it up. Gold connection, braided cable, controls, standard controls, two controls on the top, adjustable scrolling mouse wheel, got the changing for your different DPI levels. On the side, you have two more buttons. So pretty much, you know, the standard features you see on most gaming mice out there. So not bad at all, especially when it comes in the system. Now last up is the keyboard. Just pop this baby out of here. Get rid of all this extra stuff so we can actually take a look at it. Obviously a wrist rest. Get that up as you guys can see that. Here is a removable wrist rest. Like I said before in the K68 review, I like a wrist rest for me. This makes it a lot easier and more, you know, ergonomic and comfortable for my old hand. Now, here's the keyboard. Let me pop it out here. Nice mechanical keyboard. The keys all feel nice. As we show you guys the full review and set it all up and everything, we'll see, you know, what all its special features are, but feels pretty nice. All the keys are obviously going to be very easy to remove the way it's designed. I wonder if it's spill proof. On the back, obviously, got your two adjustments. On the back, you have your adjustments for putting it to a different level. Like I said, I hate a flat keyboard, and a lot of people seem to agree with that. So that's the accessories. Let's check out the system. So it's kind of trippy. Inside here, they have kind of like this bungee cable, the Zotac bungee cable. We're going to pull the system out of there. Nice and gently. Put the box over here off to the side. So let me spin this around here. Interesting. To remove the system, you just do a little click here. Ba-boom. And then we can get the system out there. Let me toss that off to the side. Another, whoa. Slight little bang there. Sorry about that system, but I'm sure after what you've been through in shipping, that's probably not going to kill you at all. So, continuing along, let me just get this thing removed so I can put the stands on it. So, right here are the stands for the system. I believe they just pop on. Yeah, they do. They just perfectly pop on. Smells like a fresh new computer. So, putting the bottoms on. Simple. Just slide those bad boys on there. And then, like I said, the system stands up straight. So internally, there are actually quite a lot of nice features inside that you can't see. So you guys can see though, the MEK1 is a really nice looking slim design system. It's made to be very futuristic looking, and in that respect, I think it definitely succeeds. Now, on the very front, you have a little sliding door. The door slides down and you can see the turn on power button. Both sides of the system are pretty much identical. They kind of look like a spaceship in a way, like it's going through space with the vents that are on it. And then you also, on the back of the system, you have another vent on top. You have your power supply plug-in. To the right of that, you have your video card and all of its different connections, and then the I/O down below. And like those two antennas that we showed you before, they plug in right there into the Wi-Fi, making it very simple. And even on the bottom, you have legacy mouse and a couple additional USB ports. So all in all, it looks pretty damn cool. Now internally, powering this bad boy is an i7-7700, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 memory. I'm not sure what speed it is because I haven't plugged it in and tested all that stuff out yet. It also contains a 240 gigabyte M2 SATA, that's really awesome, a 1 terabyte hard drive, and there's also another M2 slot on the board, but this is being occupied by the Wi-Fi currently. And the video card is an 8 gigabyte 1070 Ti, probably their mini edition card, which we brought you guys a review of just the other day. So all in all, this thing is a pretty well packed out system. Now the price is currently just a little under $1,600, but you have to realize this. If you go on eBay right now, or most of these online stores, you'll actually see 1070 Ti's for almost $1,000. Around $800 seems to be the norm, but some people are getting $1,000 for these cards. I don't know how. So when you're buying a complete system, like the CPU is probably right under $200. The motherboard inside of it's going to be probably another couple $100. You know, building and designing something this small and sleek, that all takes money in the R&D department. But overall, it's cool. It comes with a mechanical keyboard, comes with a gaming mouse, it comes with your mouse pad. I mean, pretty much all you need, like I said at the very beginning of the video, all you need is an internet connection, a monitor, and then go down all your games and get your game on. Now, we'll be bringing you guys a full review of this. We're gonna hook it up in our gaming room. You guys will be able to check it out. We'll have it with a nice monitor and everything else. We'll have it all G-synced up and all that good stuff for you people out there. And then we'll see how this thing really performs in real life. And we'll also find out more facts about the keyboard. We'll find out exactly which motherboard it is and all that stuff when we bring that to you. But for now, this is the unboxing and the first look of the MEK1 by Zotac. Down below that like button, we will have a link where you can check out more information for yourself or even buy one on Amazon. And hey, if you're not subbed, you know what to do. Sub, and we'll see you guys back here on the channel for more giveaways and more goodness of the PC world.